Hello, my name is Lynn Howes. I'm a retired maths advisor. This is a 6-piece wooden jigsaw. If you have something similar, 4 or 6 pieces, why not try doing them upside down? Turn the pieces over, muddle them up, and then try and fit them together. So you're really concentrating on the shape, totally the shape. There's no picture to help you. You're just concentrating on the shapes of the pieces that fit together. So there's going to be lots of turning, rotating, fitting, testing, trialing, until you eventually manage to get your horse, which is what it is, fitted back together. There we are, there's the horse. It's particularly nice, this is a 12-piece one, if you actually make it up in the lid. So it's made in the lid like that. The base goes on, flipped over, and there we are. You've got the fun of seeing your postman pat all made up. This can be tried by children of all ages, and why don't you as an adult have a go as well, and you can just see how difficult it is and how much spatial awareness you need and how much you have to concentrate on shapes.